Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make a long video for your Messenger story. It's really quick and simple, so let's jump in. First, I have my Messenger open right now, and to go to your stories, you go over to People at the bottom right-hand corner. And then right now it's on the active list, but you just want to click on Stories right next to it. This is where Facebook puts, or in Messenger, puts all of your stories. To add to your story, you're going to click on the Add Story plus here. Now, you have two options here to go about adding a story, and that is to either click on the camera icon or click one of the stories from your albums to upload. The key to adding a long story is to actually take the video outside of Messenger and then upload it through the app. So to do that, go over to your camera icon and take a video with your phone, save it to your album, and then once you have that video, go back to your Messenger app. Now that's the first step. The second step, once you have that video, I'm going to say it's, this video right here. This is a video I uploaded outside of the app, and I want to add it to my Messenger. It's saying it's too long right now, and that's because Messenger only allows 15 seconds for your video, but there's a way around it. So if you've uploaded it to your albums, we're just going to cancel out of this. We're going to go slide up and actually go to the camera icon. And here it's allowing you to take a video, but what you want to do is actually now go to your albums through the camera icon and then find that video that you want to upload. And now you can actually upload the full-length video to your Messenger. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.